headers in word processing is a very important topic. Okay, and in this way we can insert the headers, okay, at the top of the page. So in a document, title of the document appears at the top of the page and is called the header. Text appearing at the bottom of the page is also called the footer. We will discuss that one also. And header and footer include information as page numbers, date, title of a book, chapters, author's name, slideshow, everything. And the main advantage is that in the every page you no need to insert the header. Once you are inserting the header in a particular page, then what will happen? It will be appearing in the entire document. That is what the headers actually for. All right, so next we will discuss about the steps how to insert the headers and footers in our subsequent tutorial. All right, okay, now watch it. For inserting header, first of all we need to open a document. Okay, so what will happen here, this part we will enter the header and footer. Now what are the group and what are the options, or what are the main one options you have to select for this? Let us come one by one. First of all, click on the header option, is the header and footer group of the insert tab. So here the insert tab is already activated. You can see out here, here is the header tab, and header, footer, everything is that page number, and this is the header and footer group. All right, so now click on the design and select any header style. First of all, select any header style, or you can go for the your blank header. Okay, so any header style, you can, the blank header is there. If you want to put the include the blank header, you can click over here. So what is happening? This one type here, it is saying. Say I'm typing out here. Say you just click over here. You just say you are writing out here TIGPS Siliguri. All right. So not in this way. I can cap it caps TIGPS Siliguri. All right. So you have typed like this. Now next what is happening, you can format it also. You can, wherever you want to put, you can put it out here. Go to the home tab and then choose the color. You can have little bit increase the this thing and bold also. You can change the alignment, you can fix it out here. Okay, so once completed, you just, what you will do, you just press escape over there, escape key from the keyboard, okay, to come out of header. Now this header will be appearing in the every page. So suppose if you am coming down in this way, what is happening, you see out here. So when I am entering this one, you can see it has come over here. So in this way, in all pages and of the entire document, these headers will be inserted. Suppose, and if you want to edit header, you go to the header area and just double click on it. Okay, and just double click on it. It will be activated. Fine. So the thing is that, so in this way you will be able to insert header. All right. Now go to the insert header tab once again and go to the header again and choose any style of heading. Okay, suppose I'm choosing this one. Okay, all right, this one. All right, so what is happening here, the document title has come over here. Okay, document title has come over here. Again I am typing out here what TIGPS Siliguri. Okay, see already the define the design tab is appearing out here. So from here what you'll do, you just highlight it. You can do the formatting in the same manner, and I will just choose out here different first page and all. Okay, first page and all. Now you see what is happening out here. So in this way, here suppose I'm writing out here SIT campus, okay, Salbari, okay, and that's Sukna. Okay, Sukna, in this way. So whenever you will finish it up, the header, you just press the escape key and come out of it, and you will see that the header has been inserted in each and every pages of your documents and all. Okay, so that is the thing. So here what is happening, different first pages come. So in the header page you can also change it. So SIT campus Albany Sukna is appearing out here, and here in the page TIGPS Siliguri has inserted as header. All right, that is the thing. So in this way you will be able to insert a header. Now I'm going to open a new document for you and showing it once again. Okay, so first of all, where you have to go, insert, from here any header style you can choose. Okay, you can choose this one also. So here the document title I'm giving out here as a TIGPS Siliguri. It will look more better. Okay, that is the thing. So now if you want to insert date and time over here, so what is happening, you have to go to the date and time option in the insert group of the design tab. Okay, where is this thing, here is the date and time. Okay, so you can click over here, suppose this is Sunday 31st May, this one, or if you want the time also you can insert. Okay, so this is appearing over here. Now you just double escape, press escape, this heading will be set for enter pages. Okay, so you come down with the entering and all. you will be able to see that this has been inserted over here. Okay, that is the thing. Fine. So in this way you will be able to this thing. And if you want to edit, sometimes you just double click on it, it will come again to the header area. Suppose I want to insert the date and time some more precise manner. Say I want to enter time also. Now I am doing it, and then I have inserted the time also. Okay, so where you have to come design group, insert, and in the design you have to come to the insert group and date and time option under the design tab. You can see out here. So in this way you will be able to insert the date and time in the header. Once finished, you can press escape in order to settle the heading onto your document. All right. Now you see that other things in headings, and also this was the heading that we had inserted. Okay, so what I was actually asking you to do is that the thing is that, let's see, once more I'll do this one, to how to activate the heading for editing. So you see the thing, this is the escape key out here. So I'm inserting, I'm going inside the heading once again, and watch. All right, so double clicking over here. So this has been activated. Now you are allowed to change it if whatever editing you need to do. All right, now the thing is that if you want to come out of it, press the escape. You see the what's the keyboard. Okay, so out here I'm just coming, just a minute. Okay, now you see the escape key out here. So I'm just double clicking from here, and then you see the escape key. This escape key you have to press in order to come out of it. So you have come out of this particular this thing heading area. So the heading has been settled out here. So in this way, different formatting you can use, you can choose for heading. All right, now you see in the next I will show you how to insert picture into the heading. So page number you have seen date and time. Okay, so one more thing, the page number, sorry, all right, I'm showing you, just double clicking in the area, so it has come over here. Now see, I'm going to insert the page number. How would I do? Okay, now you see where I have to go. First of all, this is actually also, this is close header and footer group. You can see also, you can, this close group, this is called. So you'll be come out of it again. You can activate it, reactivate it by double clicking. All right, so now, so the page number, what you have to go under the design tab, you have to come to the header and footer group, and here the page number is there. All right, the page number option is there. From here you can choose the page number, top of the page, bottom of the page. I want top of the page. So where, what I will do, I will insert the page in this way, say this plain number in this way. All right, so the header has been inserted out here, so the page number has been inserted out here. Afterwards you will be able to put the heading. Suppose if you are inserting over here and you are changing it out here, alignment also can be changed. So it will come in the middle, it will come in the left, it will come in the right, everywhere you can do so. All right, now you can insert the heading out here. Say I'm writing TIGPS Siliguri, and yeah, I can format the heading in this way. You see out here, I'm making red and making bold and making little bit of size of it, and I am changing it in the middle and the center. I'm keeping it. All right, so that is the thing. So now if you want to, again, if you want to come out of it, then you can press escape key from the keyboard. I had shown you. So that is the way to insert a heading. Fine, insert a page number along with that. Now you will see the things. If you come down by pressing enter to the subsequent pages, now you see the page number has been entered as 2 out here. You can see very nicely. So that is the thing. Another thing is that here also you can see that he has been inserted and header also has been inserted. Now the thing is that one more way to come out of the header area. Suppose you have inserted the header area, then what can you do is this, you can see out here under the design tab, there is a close group. Under the close group, close header and footer also you can choose, and you can close it also in this way. And another way is to, from the keyboard, that is by pressing escape. Now you see that how to insert a picture as a header and footer. All right, so what you have to do, in the header area, insert, just a minute, I'll go back to the previous document only. Say assignment, here I'm coming back. So you see I am inserting header and footer once again. So once again insert, and where is header and footer? Yes, there is the header group. Okay, so header, I'm just pressing blank out here, so I'm not doing anything out here. Now I will go to the picture option in the insert group of the design tab. I will go to the picture option in the insert group. Okay, in the picture option in the insert group, you can see out here, and I will press out here. All right, so now a picture dialog box will open. Okay, insert picture dialog box will open for me. and from here I can choose any picture as a heading. So suppose any picture, because I don't have much picture out here in this. So let's see, I'm opening the camera roll once. Let's see, nothing is there. Okay. So the thing is that what I will do is I will take a particular any picture I will take and say I will insert this as picture. Say I will insert this as picture. I will insert it. Click on insert. So what will happen? A picture will be inserted in the header area. Once completed, you can press escape. All right. So this picture will be added into your heading area. Fine. That is the thing. Clear? So in this way, you will be able to insert picture into your header. All right. So then do the practical on header. Next, I will show you, demonstrate you about the footer and how to insert footer and all. Now students, you see how to remove the headers and once again how to insert the online pictures using header. Okay, so I'm opening a document for you out here. So similarly, we will go to the header area by using the insert and the header and footer group, and I will insert the header out here. Okay, now you see I'm using a blank header out here, so the type here is appearing. Now first of all, I will see that suppose this one I have inserted as header. Fine. So now how I will remove this header. So again, I will go to the header. I will go to the header and footer group and header options. So just below you see there are three options. This is called remove header, okay, and edit header. You can edit also in this way without double clicking. Also can be edited, and the remove header will help you out to remove the header. See the header has been disappeared. All right. Now see, once again we will insert the picture on by online, since I don't have in my system much pictures. So how to do this? Okay, click on blank header. Now what will you come in the for inserting picture, you come to the design group. Already you are there in the design. Okay, now you go to the pictures. Okay, pictures means if your system is having any picture, as I had shown you in the last video, you can do it in that way. Otherwise go for the online pictures. Click on online pictures. So here you will get the search engines. If you are having OneDrive already registered, OneDrive cloud, okay, you can take from there. Otherwise Bing image search you can go. Suppose I am tapping out here automobiles. Okay, automobiles. Okay, and then I am going for the further searching. So what will happen? Internet, if it is connected, should the internet should connect it to your system, and then suppose I am having a lot of things are appearing out here. Say I will take this one. Okay, okay, all right. So it is appearing now. So it is coming a lot of things, balloons and all. Suppose this one I was insert as heading, and this one I will click out here, and then I will insert out here. All right, clear? Okay, so downloading the pictures one by one, and what will happen? See, this one has been added as pictures. So now you can resize it as of your choice. All right. So in this way, you will be able to do it. Okay, you can insert the pictures as headings. Okay, that is the thing. So now you see how I'm resizing it. All right. Now you see checkout. Okay, so I have inserted out here, increase its size, and I'm removing this one. Okay, all right, and then what you call, I will just squeezing it in this way. Sorry. So this one, after editing the picture, so what I will do, I will just press escape in order to come out of it. Okay, so I'm pressing escape, so it has been fixed out here as a heading onto my document in the its subsequent pages. All right, this is the way to insert pictures online, okay, into your document. Fine. So that is what you will do. And anytime if you want to remove the headers, you go to the insert tab and then go to the header and footer group and edit header for editing, remove header for removing. Fine. And sometimes if you are inside the heading area, okay, and suppose you have done is like in this way, say the edit header you have done, then you are inside the edit area. So one more place is there, close header and footer under the close group. So you can click out here in order to close it from, in order to come out of the header area. Fine. So in this way the entire practical of header has been done. So you should do it, implement it practically. All right. Now students, managing footers. So like header, footer is also a section of the document that appears at the bottom of the margin. The text entered in the footer will appear on each page of the document. But the difference is that it will appear at the bottom. All right, that is the thing. So how to do this? First of all, you have to open a new document in MS Word, then select the Insert tab on the ribbon as you are seeing, then click on the drop down arrow of the footer option. In the header and footer group, drop down list will appear with a menu and styles and all. So afterwards, you will be able to enter the footer. All right, like in header, as we have seen that you can also insert the date and time, page numbers and pictures in the footer area. Also the process is similar, only the option will change. Okay, now watch the steps for managing footers. For managing footer, students, what you have to do, first of all, we have to open a new document. So document has been opened. Okay, and insert tab, go to the ribbon. All right, so place your cursor before inserting the footer, otherwise it will be inserted as header. Okay, so bring the cursor down, down to the bottom of your bottom of the page of your document. All right, so now we will click out here. All right, now you see how to do this. Insert, I'm go to the insert, then I'm go to the footer option out here. Okay, and then a lot of footer styles are there. Okay, otherwise you can download also if you want. I can just do this one as element. Okay, element. All right, so what is happening, this particular footer is already having the page number. Since you are in the page number 2, so the page number 1, in this way the footer has been inserted. All right, this is the header and this is the footer already inserted, because the style is like that. All right, so I am choosing this one as, and I'm editing this one out here, so you can see out here. A little bit, I'll type out here. Suppose say you want to write the telephone number in each page, so tel number say 9932044567. All right, this is the telephone number that should appear. So once entering, what you can do is you can enter it out here. You can press escape as you have shown, and then it appear, the particular thing will be saved as footer. All right, so if you want to come out of it, and then this is the header also. Header also you can insert say TIGPS Siliguri. Okay, so some style you can give also. This is the header and footer style, you can say. Okay, so that is the thing. So I'm going to the home tab and making it red, and then making it a little bigger. Okay, CIDPS Siliguri. So then what is happening, when this one will be finished, then press escape. Then what is happening, a total page has been made. Okay, in this way. So the header footer, where the header footer, both the things have been appeared. Okay, TIGPS, and this is your footer. All right, so if you want to edit the footer area, so I'm pressing another document, I'm going. Okay, and say I'm doing what, I'm coming down over here, insert, that is actually the header and footer combined. Okay, so I'm pressing enter out here. To insert the footer, only footer is time. You see how to do this. Okay, see, uh, going over there and then going insert and then choosing footer. Okay, footer options are there. Suppose this is the blank footer out here, so the only the blank footers has been appeared. So here I want to insert date and time. Okay, date and time inserting, I'm inserting like this. Okay, click on OK. All right, and then taking the cursor over here, and what I will do, I will insert the page number also out here, the bottom of the page. Okay, so let's see, one minute. Okay, so in this one I'm choosing out here. Okay, so what is happening, so the page number has been inserted. So once the page number has been inserted out here, okay, then you can go for date and time also over here. Okay, so I'm inserting this one, click on OK. So it will remain out here. So first you enter the page number, then you go for date and time. So if you are placing out here any alignment icon, say from home, and that way also you can place at the right aligned icon, so it will also be aligned as you have done. And if you want some color and all, okay, what can you do, in the same way from the home tab you can also color it. Okay, so you can do it in this way also. Okay, and the thing is that if you want to place this at the center, in fact, so you can do it in this way also. All right, so both the things will be centered. Okay, and say if you want to bring it down, okay, place it over here, so it will bring it down, so the insert footer has to come down. And if you want to place it at the right, you in this way, so the page number has been inserted in the center and the date and time has been inserted at the right. So this is the means like almost same like same like header, how to insert header, how to manage pictures and all the things and all. So that is the way. Okay, so not the difference, only the footer will appear at the bottom of the page. That is that only the difference, and you will find this one also under the insert, under the header and footer group, and header and footer option. And if you want to come out of it in the same manner, you can go there and close header and footer option. Click on close header and footer option under the close group. Fine. So if you close it, it will be closed out here. And if you want to remove the footer, how to do it? Insert, go to the header and footer group. In the footer group also you can come down. Here also you are having the remove footer, edit footer, remove footer. Okay, remove footer, the footer will be removed. So now you have seen all the steps and all, and this video will definitely help you out in order to managing header and footers both. All right, so watch it and implement it properly. Okay, thank you.